Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation. And today's topic is very nostalgic your school life.
Let's begin.
So, Alex, how was your school life?
My school life was fun, crazy, tiring, and full of homework.
Same! School life is like a movie with comedy, drama, action, and sometimes horror.
Waking up for school was the hardest part. Alarm rings, I ignore mom calls, I pretend I didn't hear mom shouts, I wake up instantly.
Yes, moms are the real alarm clocks. Wearing school uniform every day was also a struggle. Sometimes the tie was missing, sometimes the socks were different colors.
Same. My tie was always crooked. I looked like a confused detective.
School lunch was the best part of school life.
Yes, not because of food, but because of sharing food.
Exactly. Our lunchbox, everybody's lunchbox.
And the excitement when someone brought something delicious. Instant popularity.
In class, my biggest fear was, Teacher, come to the board.
Oh, yes. My brain stopped working the moment I stood in front of the class.
And when teacher asked a question, I suddenly forgot everything I studied.
School friends are special. They know all your secrets, your crushes, your embarrassing moments.
Yes, school friends are like family. We laugh together, cry together, fail together. What was your favorite subject, Alex?
English, but math was my enemy.
Same. Math said, solve me. And I said, no, thank you.
PT period was the best. Running, playing, shouting, no studies, only fun.
Yes, PT felt like freedom day. Exams were the scariest part of school.
Yes, before exam, studying. During exam, thinking. After exam, praying.
And when teacher returned the paper, my heart beat faster than Wi Fi.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
My school life was fun.
I woke up early for school.
I had many friends.
I enjoyed lunch and games.
Some subjects were difficult.
School life gave me good memories.
Great job!
Why school life is special?
School life teaches discipline, friendship, kindness, and teamwork.
Yes, it gives memories that stay forever.
School is not just about books, it's about growing up. Alex, do you remember school assembly?
Oh, yes, standing in a straight line, in hot sun, and trying not to faint.
Yes, and teacher saying, stand straight while we are dying inside. Did you ever get scolded in class?
Many times. Talking, laughing, passing paper notes.
Same. Passing notes was our WhatsApp.
Yes, and when the teacher caught the note, everyone became silent statues.
And school crush, always the funniest part of school life.
Oh, yes. Seeing your crush in the corridor equals heart explosion.
Yes. And we suddenly walk slowly, like we are in a music video.
School trips were the best days.
Yes. Bus songs, snacks, photos, and no homework.
Correct. School trip equals happiness festival.
Some teachers were strict, some were kind, some were funny, and some were unpredictable.
Yes, one strict teacher could make the whole class silent in 2 seconds.
And one friendly teacher made class feel like home.
School friends fight for silly reasons like, you didn't wait for me, you ate without me.
Yes. But after 10 minutes, best friends again.
True friendship.
Sports day was also fun. Running, cheering, falling.
Yes, and the slowest runner always got the loudest support.
Exactly. School spirit was beautiful.
Exam week was crazy. Everyone serious, everyone stressed, everyone praying.
Yes, even toppers got scared.
And after exam, everyone compared answers. Worst mistake ever.
Yes, it destroyed happiness instantly.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
My school life was full of memories.
I had fun with my friends.
I enjoyed games and lunchtime.
I sometimes got scolded.
Exams were difficult.
School taught me many things.
Great job.
Why school life stays in our heart.
School life is the first chapter of our journey. It shapes us.
Yes, it teaches kindness, teamwork, courage, and confidence.
And gives us memories that never fade.
School life ends, but the memories stay forever.
Okay, Alex, this topic made me feel emotional.
Same here. School life is something we always miss.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Stay happy, stay learning, stay nostalgic.
If you're enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel, Learn English Easy Way, so you never miss a new episode.
Oh, and one more thing. Share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thanks for listening.
Bye.
Bye.